Where can I find the fuse box diagram for the 2009 to 2016 Tata Indigo Manza, and what does it include? How can I access both the main and additional fuse boxes, and what do they control within the vehicle? Engine fuse box. Engine fuse box view of quadrajet. The engine fuse box in the quadrajet system houses essential fuses and relays for engine management and electrical components. It provides circuit protection for fuel injection, ignition, cooling fans, and other key systems. Engine fuse box view of Sapphire. The engine fuse box view of Sapphire provides a detailed layout of essential electrical components, ensuring easy access for maintenance and troubleshooting. It houses fuses and relays that protect various engine and powertrain systems from electrical faults. Engine fuses and relays petrol. The engine fuses and relays in petrol vehicles protect critical components such as the ignition system, fuel injectors, and engine control unit from electrical overloads. These fuses ensure reliable engine performance by preventing short circuits and power surges. Cockpit fuse box.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.